Welcome. Today, we're diving into a super quick and easy guide on how to delete your story on Snapchat. Whether you posted something by accident, changed your mind, or just want to tidy up your profile, this updated walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it in seconds. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your profile and recent posts. Next, tap your profile icon in the top left corner of the main screen. This icon usually shows your Bitmoji or your Snapchat avatar. Once you tap it, you'll enter your personal profile page, where you can see your Snap score, trophies, and, of course, your current story. Now, go ahead and tap on your story. This will open it up so you can see all the snaps you've posted there. You can swipe through them, just like your friends would, but here's the part that matters when you find the snap. You want to delete. Look at the top right corner of your screen, tap on the three dots icon. This will bring up a small menu with different options for that snap. From here, tap on delete and confirm your choice. Snapchat will ask if you're sure you want to delete it once you confirm. That snap will be permanently removed from your story. If you want to delete multiple snaps from your story, just repeat the same process for each one. Open the snap, tap the three dots, select delete, and confirm. It's really that simple. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your story, or just a part of it, from Snapchat. It's always a good idea to double-check that it's gone by refreshing your profile page. Now your story feed looks exactly how you want it. Keeping your Snapchat clean and customized has never been this easy. Thanks for watching.